What's up guys, this is Yandi with Tex Charlie, and today we're here hosting the Gold Coast British Car Show. We brought the Morgan Plus 4 out. We're turning some heads, answering some questions, and hopefully getting some votes. Let's check it out.
How much do you have to pay for this?
How much do you think?
100.
A little bit more. This one's 130.
So it's new.
It is new. It is a 2025.
That's cool.
Yeah. Everything on the car is handcrafted.
So are they importing these now, or they're?
Yeah.
Okay, that's great.
They're full production, so they're produced and crafted and put together in England, but then they get brought over here
Gotcha.
for delivery.